In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a QuickBooks accountant copy. If you're managing your own books and working with an accountant, knowing how to efficiently send them a copy of your records can save both of you a lot of time and effort. QuickBooks Online makes the process straightforward, yet it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's dive in. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to QuickBooks Online. If you already have the website bookmarked, that will make this process even quicker. Once you're there, you'll need to head to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here is where you'll enter your QuickBooks credentials. In the fields provided, type in your email address associated with your QuickBooks account. Be sure to enter your email accurately to avoid any login issues. Follow this by entering your password. If you have a password manager, this might be a good time to utilize it to ensure you get your password right on the first go. Once you've entered your email and password, go ahead and click on Sign In. After signing in, you need to access the settings. This might be represented by a gear icon. The settings are your command center where you can manage everything from your business information to user access. Once you're in the settings, look for an option labeled Manage Users. Selecting this will lead you to a list where you can add, remove, or otherwise manage the people who have access to your QuickBooks account. Within the Manage Users section, you'll want to find and click on Accounting Firms. This is the specific area where you can add your accountant's details to your QuickBooks network. Doing this will allow your accountant to access what they need to assist you with your financial records. The next crucial step is to type in your accountant's email address. You'll want to ensure you have the correct email address, otherwise the invitation won't reach your accountant. Once the email is entered, take a moment to double check that it's correct. This prevents any delays or confusion on your accountant's end. Following the entry of the email, you'll see an option to invite. Click on this button to send the invitation to your accountant. Sending the invite is essentially granting them permission to access the particular information and accounts they need within your QuickBooks setup. It's a secure way to streamline communication and data exchange between you and your financial advisor. A small tip often overlooked, it can be helpful to immediately notify your accountant that you have sent them an invite. This way they know to check their email for the invitation. Communication outside of QuickBooks, like a quick email or phone call, can often eliminate any oversight or delay in them accessing your records. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully sent an accountant copy in QuickBooks Online. Each step aligns with QuickBooks' secure methods to ensure your information is handled safely and efficiently. Understanding and utilizing this feature in QuickBooks is a great skill to have under your belt. Not only does it assist your accountant in doing their job more efficiently, but it also helps in solidifying a smooth collaborative process that can save you valuable time down the road. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this makes your accounting tasks a little easier. If you have any questions or run into any issues as you try these steps, feel free to check out the help resources available on QuickBooks website or contact their support team for further assistance.